Oh yeah, baby. Horn salute, all right. Friendly crew. 3644 and 4157. All right. So 16T is on the move. Man, that was a horn battle right there. DPU, all right. 7654 DPU, awesome. The symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern 16T. Norfolk Southern 16T heading east. That was an awesome, friendly crew on this train right there, don't you think? Because he has been sitting there for about like a couple minutes or so. I just don't know how long it's been for this train. But it looks like it was a epic horn show by the conductor on this Monday, July 6th, 2026. From Malin Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. So tell me what you think of that crew giving that epic horn show. That was friendly. So that's going to be it right now. All right. Comes the next video. Roll it.
It's time to see this bitch out.
BNSF DPU 8436, awesome. Symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern 127. Oh, hold on a second, I gotta deactivate my railroad crossing gate toy. There you go. Norfolk Southern 127 heading west. He met 16T and Rader, because that's probably why 16T stopped, and I think he was on the siding maybe, who knows. So Norfolk Southern 127 heading west with the BNSF 8436 SD78 DPU all right in the back. So how awesome was that? He was flying. So train meet, all right. On this Monday, July 6, 2026. From Malin Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. All right, here comes the next video. Roll it.